Hey guys, welcome back to Bradshaw's Outdoors. Just decided to go for a walk. I'm at my in-laws and I looked out the back window and the creek is like overflowed like 6 feet. It's a little nuts. But I'm gonna take you on down the road here and I'm gonna show you. Quite a mess. Picks up a lot. It's got a nice churning going in there. There is fish in here. I've caught goldeneye in here, some pretty large rockmouth bass, some green sunfish. I think we're about over the bank here. Be great for fishing, but I don't have my fishing pole here. As we came over to just help mother-in-law out with some stuff, I'm gonna get up to the bridge here so we can see just how high this is. This water is like, yeah, it's up a good 3-4 feet. Just a moving. You can hear it rushing down from the lake on up there. It's a Little Slave Lake here in Northbrook, Ontario, Canada. We got some foam on the water. I don't know if there's anything spawning in here or not. Don't really know. Isn't this just a beautiful area? Like, look at this, eh? Just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Alright, well, I'm going to head back to the house now. And I'll get back with you in a bit when we get back to my place. I got a couple things I want to show you that I picked up for the upcoming spawn. Walleye are spawning right now as we speak down south. So in a couple weeks it opens on, I think it's the 4th of May. I will be going walleye fishing with my brother, and we're going to film that and put that on the channel also. I'll see you in a bit. Welcome back. So we're back at the house now. Well, it's almost 10 p.m. now. I just wanted to finish this off and show you a few things that I picked up this week. I got some lunker hunts. These are just just Thankos. They're in a, what color are these supposed to be? Doesn't really say. I think maybe a natural color. Yeah. I also got some weighted swim bait hooks with keeper. You screw on your bait here, you stick it in there. I think these are 1/8 of an ounce. Yeah, 1/8 ounce. So, as you've seen earlier, we are in the midst of a big thaw right now. Right in the mix of it. Walleye be open shortly. Bass season up here, like if you keep them, it's not open until June. But I'm gonna be doing a catch and release, so I'll be fishing for them no matter what. But yeah, that's all we have for Thursday. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe. New content every week. Hit that, notification button for, to get alerted when I upload new content, which I try to do Tuesdays and Thursdays. Sometimes I might only have enough content for one day, so don't worry, there will be more to come. And catch you next time on Bradshaw's Outdoors.